Hi, I'm Mimi Johnston and I own this day spa, the Retreat Day Spa. It's been going for 10 years now. It's been a wonderful journey. I've been in the health industry, a naturopath, since 1983, which goes back a long way. Seen lots and lots of amazing changes over the years. And I was drawn to the health wellness industry because it helped me so much when I had a health challenge when I was much younger, and I was so excited about what herbs, etc. could do, and living well and being aware of foods, nutrients in foods, and how to eat for anti-aging and wellness. And so what I'd love to do today, I would like to offer you, I have an initial new patient wellness consultation, which is very, very comprehensive, do a lot of testing for it. It's normally $97, goes for an hour, but today I'm offering it to you for $47. That's a saving of $50. So take advantage of that, and I'd love to meet you. Just mention Siv on SIP to redeem this amazing deal.